Here are the 5 top reasons why you should start juicing. So reason number 1 is being able to consume a higher nutrient intake. Basically, imagine eating this full amount of celery. It will probably take you a while just to chew on all of this, right? Now, juicing allows you to consume a lot more fruits and vegetables than you normally would in one sitting. Juicing basically allows you to stick all of this into the machine, separate the fiber, and all you're left with is the juice. And the juice is really concentrated. It's high in vitamins and minerals that will take you forever to consume if you eat it just like this. But if you stick it into the juicer and you separate the fiber, not only are you going to be able to have a lot more vitamins and minerals because you're not going to have to chew everything, but it's going to allow you to absorb it a lot easier. So reason number 2 is boosted immunity. Juices have definitely changed my life when it comes to that. I rarely get colds, I rarely get flu-like symptoms, and I rarely get sick, to be honest. So your immunity is definitely something you want to strengthen, and juicing is definitely a great way to get that done. Now, there are some juices that are more beneficial than others when it comes to the immune system. I have a ton of recipes that you guys can probably check out in my shorts or my other social media accounts that can help with your immune system if you're coming up with a cold, have flu-like symptoms such as a cough, sneezing a lot, stuffy nose, runny nose, those sort of things. Now, today's juice, we're going to be including a little bit of lemon, and it's definitely going to help you out because it's a great content of vitamin C, and vitamin C has been known to boost your immune system. Now, there are other ingredients that we could probably include to this juice that would also help us out, such as ginger. Ginger is a really great ingredient if you're coming up with a cold or if you have a cold, just because it has antiviral properties. But let's get started, start chopping this up, and start making the juice. So reason number 3 is for better skin health. Now, there are a ton of reasons why your skin will start to improve the more you juice. But one main reason is because it helps detox your body. Now, when you start detoxing your liver, which is known to remove toxins from your body, it will start reflect on your skin, make your skin look more vibrant, help you remove acne, blemishes, improve your fine lines and wrinkles, and it will help you improve that glow on your face. Now, there are a lot of ingredients that you can use for your skin, such as carrots, which are high in beta carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. And vitamin A is known to help protect your skin against the sun, against UV damage, and also help promote healthy skin cell production. Other ingredients that you can use for your juices that are great for your skin are beets, which are known to detox your liver. We got cucumber, which is great for hydration, and keeping properly hydrated is great for your skin. It also contains silica, which is great for your skin and great for collagen production. Ginger is also a great ingredient that you can use for your juices because it's anti-inflammatory, and sometimes inflammation can be the cause of why you have pimples. Reason number 4 is heart health. Number 1 leading cause of death here in the United States is heart disease. And just by simply including more leafy greens, more fruits and vegetables, you will be able to minimize your risk of heart disease. So by simply including ingredients which are high in potassium, like romaine lettuce, can help regulate blood pressure by balancing the effects of sodium in the body. Adequate potassium intake can help lower high blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. So one of the main contributors to heart disease is chronic inflammation. And one thing that we know about juicing is that it contains a lot of anti-inflammatory properties. A lot of these ingredients that we use are definitely known for that. Ingredients like ginger, turmeric, and leafy greens have potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body, protecting the heart and blood vessels from damage. Now, there's one ingredient that I like to use in my juices that's fantastic for your heart health, due to its high content of nitrates. Beets are known to have high nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide helps relax and dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure. This can enhance cardiovascular health and reduce the risk of heart disease. Now, reason number 5, reduces the risk of chronic diseases. This alone should be the main reason why we juice. Juicing can definitely help out by providing us with the essential nutrients that we need, the antioxidants that we need, and by providing anti-inflammatory compounds that we need in order to prevent these chronic diseases from happening. So those are my 5 top reasons why everyone should juice. There are other reasons such as better overall energy, better digestion, the anti-aging properties. The list can go on and on. You guys let me know if you want to hear more. Now this juice right here is filled with benefits. As you saw, we're using celery, papaya, and lemon. Celery has anti-inflammatory properties, great for those of you who have joint pain in your elbow, your hands, on your knees. Definitely great for that. We got papaya, which contains an enzyme called papain, which is great for digestion. Papaya also has properties that are great for your skin. And we got lemon, which is great for your skin as well because it has vitamin C, great for collagen production, great for the immune system. The combination is great. If you haven't had juice before, or if you're new to juicing, you're definitely gonna like this combination right here. I'm gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna sip on it real quick. Oh, wow. Tastes amazing. You guys are definitely gonna like this combo. Let me know what you guys think about this video, and be sure to let me know what you guys want to see next. It will definitely help out. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out and God bless.